Once I drill all my holes, now I'm going to mount the tab itself to the boat. I get that secured down with 5200. Everything's looking good. Then I'm going to install the actuator. This one fought me a little bit. I had to use a little bit of muscle on it to get it to go through. Nothing a dead blow hammer wouldn't take care of. So got it up, got it mounted. Everything looked good, so I attached the actuator to the trim tab plate itself on the bottom. Got that mounted up, cleaned up all the excess 5200. Wham, ready to move on to the other side. All said and done, it was a good installation. Took a little longer than expected or normal because each actuator has its own separate pump, which was no problem, with the mounting of the pumps. It was just the mounting of the actuator itself going through the transit and running into the stringer. Well, these tabs are going to really help the performance of this boat. I can't wait to see, because they are big tabs. It's better to overkill than underkill, because if you ain't got enough tab back there and you mount these tabs, they're pretty much going to be useless.